Hello students of class 9. Today we are in the fifth part of the chapter Movement of the Earth. We will start from Aphelion page 22, Aphelion and Perihelion. So first let me draw the diagram. So, this diagram is very important. Aphelion and perihelion. You know that this is our sun and the earth revolves around the sun. This concept we know we had done in revolution, that the earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. This is the orbit of the earth. Okay, and the shape of the earth's orbit is elliptical. As the earth's orbit is elliptical in shape, sometimes it comes towards the sun, sometimes it goes away from the sun. The time when the earth comes towards the sun, that time is known as perihelion. The word peri means near, helios means sun. On 3rd January, the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum 147 million kilometer. This date is known as perihelion. The word peri means near and helios means sun. On 4th July, the earth is so located on its orbit that the distance between the sun and the earth is maximum. It is 152 million kilometer. This phenomenon is known as aphelion. The word ap means away and helios means sun. Clear? Very easy concept. Which diagram you have to degree north. All the places in the northern hemisphere receives 12 hours of daylight, and the places beyond the Arctic Circle receives 24 hours of sunlight. In Norway, Hammerfest is a place. That place is known as Land of Midnight Sun. That is, there is continuous daylight from May 13 to July 29th. So, this position of the sun is known as this position of the earth is known as summer solstice. In this time period, the temperature days are longer, nights are shorter, temperature is higher, and it is summer in the northern hemisphere. So, this is known as summer solstice. Okay, let's first see the diagram properly. See the diagram, the North Pole leans towards the sun, the South Pole is away from the sun. All the places in the northern hemisphere receives 12 hours of daylight. The places beyond the Arctic Circle, that is 66 degree north, receives daylight for 24 hours. Okay. Hammerfest in Norway is known as Land of Midnight Sun, which receives daylight, continuous daylight from May 13 to July 29. In this time period, the temperature is higher, days are longer, nights are shorter, and it is summer in the northern hemisphere. It is known as summer solstice. Okay, so you will read this part, very important, along with the diagram. Okay, in the next video we will start from winter solstice. Thank you, class.